Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, and in this video I will be showing you how you can save an AI file in an image format. So it's really simple to do. So the first thing you have to do is that you open up any illustration that you have already saved as an AI file. So for example, I have opened up this vector owl that I had recently made in one of my previous videos, and as you can see that it's in an AI file. So now I want to save this as a JPEG format. So what I will be doing is that I'll be going to File and going over here to this export option and clicking on export as. So over here you can choose which file or where you want to save your document in, and over here in this save as type, 99% of the time you will get this option which says JPEG format, but you might also in very rare cases you might see that the save as type will be AutoCAD drawing. But if you do, just click on this drop down box and select JPEG format and you click on export, and over here you can decide the quality of your file. So the higher the file, like the larger the file is going to be, the higher the quality is going to be. The smaller the file size, the lesser the quality, right? So it's highly advisable that you keep it here in the middle so that the quality is medium, or sometimes you want to keep it high. So as you can see that the number also does get increased. So depending on how large or how big you want your file to be saved, so you'll have to see that accordingly and then save it. And then over here in this color mode, by default it's CMYK. You can let it be the way it is, or if you want, in certain cases, in certain websites, sometimes the color might get changed and it'll be reading up as an RGB format as well, but that's okay. But I'll just stick to CMYK and I'll click to OK. And if we go back here to my file, and this is where I had saved, and there you go, this one right here. As you can see that my vector owl has been saved in a JPEG format right here. So that's it. So this was one way to save your file in a JPEG format. You can also save the same file in a PNG format as well. The process is same. So you go to File, click on Export and select Export As. Except over here in the Save As type, you select the PNG file and you click on Export. And as you can see right here, that when you click on export, like in the PNG option, the background gets removed and it comes into a transparent background as well. So in this case, in case if you want to use this image as a logo, or you want to upload it somewhere which has a different color background and you do not want this white background to be there, then PNG is suited. Otherwise, you let everything be the way it is and you select OK. Now once that's done, you can also check in the same file that we had saved it as, and going back here, it's vector, and over here, see, there it is, the vector owl PNG, and as you can see that the size also does get decreased to quite an extent, which is 49.9 KB, and this was the JPEG format, which is slightly higher in size, which is 1.19 MB, and usually AI files are even much heavier as well. So that's okay. You can also decrease the size of your image by lowering the qualities, by saving it as a smaller size as well. So that's about it. So I've covered up this format on how you can save an image in both a JPEG and a PNG file as well. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.